In this part, we have to put the value of cos 45 degree, secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. Since the value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2, we'll put here 1 by root 2 upon secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30 is 2. Since these both terms are in fraction, so we have to take the LCM of both of these terms. Since the denominator is root 3 and 1, so the LCM will be taken as root 3. And we have to divide this denominator by this LCM, and we have to multiply the answer by this numerator. When we will divide root 3 by root 3, the answer will be 1, and we have to multiply 1 by 2, its answer will comes out to be 2. Plus when we will divide root 3 by 1, answer will comes out to be root 3, and we have to multiply this 2 by root 3, it will become 2 root 3. Now we have to reciprocate this term. 1 by root 2 into root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. Now we have to multiply both the numerators and both the denominators. 1 into root 3 will become root 3 upon, when we will multiply this root 2 by this bracket, we will get 2 root 2 plus 2 into root 3 into root 2 will be 2 root 6. Now to solve this, we have to rationalize this term. Okay. To rationalize this, we have to multiply and divide this term by a term which will be equal to this denominator, but the sign here will be changed. But not to get answer in negative, we will use a trick. You can say we have to use the trick as we have to take 2 root 6 as positive, 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2 upon 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2. I hope you will get this trick. Now we have to multiply root 3 to this and both the denominator terms. Root 3 multiplied by 2 root 6 will become 2 into root 18 minus 2 into root 6 upon, in denominator you can see as both the terms as a plus b, a minus b. So it will become a square minus b square, 2 root 6 square minus 2 root 2 square. Here we can take 2 as common. 2 root 6 square, 2 2s are 4 into root 6 square is 6 minus 2 2s are 4 into root 2 square is 2. So it will become 6 4s are 24, 4 2s are 8. So 2 root 18 minus root 6 upon 24 minus 8, it will be 16, which can cut it as 8. We can simplify this term as we can take root 3 as common. If we take root 3 as common, here it will become root 6 minus root 2 upon 8. So it will be the answer of this third question. In this question we can write this root 18 as 3 into root 6. You can write it as 3 root 6 minus, you can write this root 18 as 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. This will be another form of the answer of this question. This is the fourth question. sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree upon secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. The value of sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1, minus cosecant 60 degree is root 2 by 3. Secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 and cot 45 degree is 1. Now we have to solve these terms. We will first take LCM of both of these terms. LCM here will be 2. Basically this term will become 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1, it will become 3 by 2 minus 2 root 3 as it is upon. Now we will take the LCM of both these terms, and on taking LCM of 1 by 2 and 1, it will again become 3 by 2. Now we have to take LCM of both of these terms and both of these terms. LCM here will become 2 root 3. This term will become 3 root 3, as we have to divide this LCM by this denominator. On dividing 2 root 3 by 2, answer will become root 3 and we have to multiply the answer with the numerator. Minus similarly here it will become root 3 will get cancelled out. Answer will become 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Upon here LCM will become 2 root 3. It will become 2 root 3 upon root 3. It will root 3 will get cancelled out. 2 into 2 it will be 4. Plus 2 will get cancelled out here. It will become 3 root 3. Now this 2 root 3 will be cancelled out. Terms here are 3 root 3 minus 4. I will write it as 3 root 3 plus 4. Since the root is in denominator, we have to rationalize this term as we have done in previous question. Multiply and divide by the same term as that of denominator but with the opposite sign. Now this is you can say a minus b into a minus b, that is a minus b square. 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square, or you can simply multiply the brackets. This is a plus b, a minus b, so it will become a square minus b square. If the answer comes here is in negative, we can rearrange the terms. Okay, here it will become 3 into root 3 square minus 4 square plus 4 square minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4, as we are doing in a minus b whole square formula, upon 3 square is 9 into root 3 square is 3 minus 4 4s are 16. So here it will become 3 3s are 9 into root 3 is 3 plus 4 4s are 16 minus root 3 as it is 2 into 3 6 4s are 24. Multiply upon 9 3s are 27 minus 16. So it will become 27 plus 16 is 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. This will be the answer of this fourth part, that is sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree upon secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degrees. This is the last question of fifth part. Fifth part of first question, that is last part of first question. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree upon sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Since cos 60 is 1 by 2, I am putting here 1 by 2 into square, since here is cos square. 4 secant 30 2 by root 3 square minus tan square 45, that is 1 square. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 square. Now we will solve it. 5 into 1 square is 1 upon 2 twos are 4. Plus 4 into 2 square is 4 upon root 3 square is 3. Minus 1 square is 1 upon, it will become 1 upon 4 plus square of root 3 is 3 upon square of 2 is 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. It will become 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 upon, it will become 3 plus 1 4, 4 upon 4 is 1. Only this term is left with us. 5 upon 4 plus 16 upon 3 minus 1 upon 1. We have to take the LCM of this term. LCM will become 12. When we will divide 12 by 4, it will comes out to be 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 12 divided by 3, it will be 4. 16 4s are 64. 12 divided by 1 is 12, multiplied by 1 is 12. We have to solve this. When we will solve this, its answer will comes out to be 67 upon 12, which is the answer of this fifth part. I hope you will get this question.